है कि हमसे जो जूनियर जिनका नाम 171 नंबर पे था, हमारा 146 नंबर पे था, आपने उनको कैसे अपॉइंट कर दिया है?
ठीक है, we'll forget the pleading, then we'll allow the petitions. She is 149, you are 171. No reasoning. You will go, she will come in. फिर तो ये 149 पर है, 171 पर है. You are out.
25 का ऑर्डर लॉर्डशिप.
8-1-25.
यस
What is the dispute, madam?
Lordship, disputed matter pertains to Samvida Shala Shikshak Lordship,
Hmm.
and my serial number is 146. They have given appointment to serial number 171. Now the court said that 15 marks additional you have given for experience. That was, I was also holding experience. Now final list was out. At that time they had not given any additional marks. Subsequently, when it was given after the final select list and how the procedure has been adopted, we challenged before the collector. The collector has said that 15 additional marks has been given, and therefore my marks are now less subsequently after she getting 15 marks extra. So how this 15 marks have been given after the entire selection process, that was the moot question before this court. So the honorable court has asked for a reply. They did not reply it. In additional reply also, they did not meet this question because the annexures which they have filed demonstrate that that is of 2007, that the authorities have considered after the selection list. So how that was considered? So this honorable court directed that you get the entire procedure. So how you have given this additional marks? If it has to be given to the respondent, then it has to be given to the appellant also, petitioner also, because I was also holding experience. And my in the panel select list, my name is yes.
You are Uma Vanshkar.
Yes.
ये है गजरा देवी.
Gajra Devi.
Yes, Mr. Baghel.
My lord, I have submitted, my lord, in my reply.
Just wanted to point out, but there is no such pleading in the petition.
किस बात?
कि इस बात की pleading नहीं है कि आपको एडिशनल 15 मार्क्स जो दिए वो गलत दिए गए हैं, कैसे दिए गए हैं?
No, this is our only case. This is our case. It is an appeal everywhere. This is the only ground, lordship. Kindly see annexure P10 page 38. पेटिशन में देख लीजिए, अपील में देख लीजिए, एक ही चीज है कि हमसे जो जूनियर जिनका नाम 171 नंबर पे था, हमारा 146 नंबर पे था, आपने उनको कैसे अपॉइंट कर दिया है?
15 मार्क्स जो एडिशनल गलत वैसी प्लीडिंग
नहीं, हम पूछ रहे हैं कि कैसे कर दिया फिर अपॉइंट. अब आप बताइए कैसे कर दिया. तो 15 मार्क्स की ही तो बात आएगी घूम फिर कर. If she does not raise the pleading of 15 marks,
एक्चुअल ग्राउंड है तो एटलीस्ट
समझिए, अगर मैडम 15 मार्क्स की प्लीडिंग नहीं रेज करती फिर तो इनका केस बहुत सिंपल है. यू कैन नॉट बी अपॉइंटेड. ही इज 149, यू आर 171.
राइट. मेरी एक रिक्वेस्ट है कि लीगल ग्राउंड तो शी इज नॉट रेजिंग लीगल, काउंसिल इज नॉट रेजिंग एनी लीगल ग्राउंड. दे आर रेजिंग अ फैक्चुअल ग्राउंड. सो there ought to have been a pleading made in this regard in the body of petition.
ठीक है, we'll forget the pleading, then we'll allow the petitions. She is 149, you are 171. No reasoning. You will go, she will come in.
Oh, my lord.
तो बहुत आसान कर दिया आपने काम. आपने तो काम आसान कर दिया. मैडम का काम आसान कर दिया. ये कह कि 15 मार्क्स वाली बात नहीं देख सकते.
कलेक्टर है
फिर तो ठीक है, फिर तो ये 149 पर है, 171 पर है. You are out. 15 marks is your defense. स्टेट का क्या रिप्लाई है?
Lord, I have filed, my lord, the additional reply and pleaded that, lord, the additional marks why she has authority has given, my lord. Because of that, lord, she was there is an experience certificate issued on 6/12/1996 to 31/3/2003. He was worked, my lord, under the Rajiv Gandhi School Guarantee Mission, my lord, and the certificate issued by the coordinator, it is verified. And what there is a circular I have filed AR3 in which plot class number 15 has mentioned that plot. May I read plot the अनुभव एंड प्रशिक्षण संबंधी प्रमाण पत्रों की मान्यता. संविदा शाला शिक्षक पत्र हेतु आवेदनकर्ता को किसी स्कूल में अध्यापन संबंधी अनुभव के लिए अधिकतम 15 अंक दिए जाएंगे. 1 वर्ष, 2 वर्ष एवं 3 वर्ष के अनुभव के लिए क्रमशः 5, 10 और 15 अंक प्रदान किए जाएंगे. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट प्लॉट the additional marks were given to the respondent number 5.
Let's see what is the finding of collector.
My lord.
इस ऑर्डर में है ना कि आपको 15 अंक उसके मिले हैं एक्सपीरियंस के. So you jumped from 21
to 35.
आपके पहले 20.28 रहे होंगे,
Yes.
फिर आप 20.28 से 35.28 पर आ गए
Yes.
और इनके हैं 21.84. बताइए रिकॉर्ड में क्या है
Yes.
इसमें मैडम? हाउ इट इज रॉन्ग? व्हाट इज
Yes.
ग्राउंड?
The ground is, Lordship, that this initially at the time when the application was moved, they did not raise this. And the final selection list was, in the final selection list, my marks were, I was 146 and my marks were 21.84. And this is the final select list. And her name was 171. Now, after the final select list, if they had to give additional marks, then opportunity should have been given to me also. When this, how this process have been adopted, Lordship? This was the question before the court also. That after the final select list in 2007, you have you prepared any subsequent final select list making the respondent number 5 over and above me? In that case, I should also have been given additional 15 marks because I am also holding experience certificate that I filed in my application. I am also holding experience. And in professional examination, VAPAM conducted through VAPAM, my marks are more. In these, my marks are more. Eligibility, my marks are more. Now, once the final select list was prepared, how subsequently they have moved 171 over and above me? What was the procedure that was adopted by the respondents? If they say that she has been given additional 15 marks, if they were not available prior to the making of the final select list, then after that, I should also have been given opportunity. I will also demonstrate. I have already given in my application form. I should have also been given 15 marks. So her 171, she has come before 146. How? So therefore, this honorable court has directed that you call for, because it was not satisfied with that after selection of final select list, they have given R2, that is of 2007. They are saying that by virtue of the certificate which was issued in 2007, they have come before this honorable court in the reply. The respondent number 5 has filed no return. They are not disputing this contention. Now, the question is that when this process has been adopted by the respondents, and if they have, they should have given me also opportunity. I would have also said that I am also holding experience now. So you give me additional 15 marks. So can they do it at any point of time? Whenever they so desire? Or is there a procedure that is to be adopted? The entire act of the respondents is against rule of law. Every executive action should be informed by reason and should be free from arbitrariness.
You
This
are
is
madam
where-
49.
146, Lordship.
उमा वंशकार.
उमा वंशकार. मेरे 21.84 थे, इनके 20 थे. इनका है 20/28.
Legal password.
Actually, they are required to show how they are also entitled for 15 additional marks.
Legal password.